Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then create a new shortcut. Open Shortcuts, tap plus to create, and pick a single action like Send Message or Open App. This is the functional core. Once done, name the shortcut with a concise phrase you will speak. Make sure Siri is enabled and microphone access is granted. Without that, prompts fail. You're now ready to link voice to action, so save the shortcut and test it once inside the shortcuts list. Now focus on recording a Siri phrase and refining the shortcut steps. Tap the shortcuts details, choose Add to Siri, and record a phrase that you can say naturally. Avoid generic words that Siri already uses. Then, edit actions for error handling, add if blocks, waits, or ask for input so the shortcut adapts. Once adjusted, test variations of your phrase and refine wording if Siri misrecognizes it. Make sure the flow completes reliably before moving to automations. Finish by integrating the shortcut into automations or widgets, and then validate it with multiple live tests. You can add it to home screen or an automation trigger for time or location. If Siri doesn't run the shortcut, verify permissions for each action and confirm the Siri phrase isn't conflicting with other shortcuts. Make sure shortcuts background refresh is allowed. Finally, if something still breaks, duplicate the shortcut and remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.